Alrighty, y'all, we've just got our biscuit base into the bottom of our greased 13x9 pan and our jet puff marshmallow fluff. Now I'm just coming in with my Kraft caramel bits. We are using one whole 13-ounce package in there. Now I've just got some chopped pecans. I'm just using these chopped pecan pieces, but of course you can use whole or crushed, whatever you prefer. Any kind of nut works in this. Delicious. Now I'm gonna use my Nestle Toll House semi-sweet mini morsels, and I am just gonna give a nice little sprinkling of that all throughout here. I like the minis, they just disperse so well in this. Now I've got 2 sticks of melted butter, and I am gonna save just a little bit. All right, now I've got my Hershey's milk chocolate bars. So we've got our biscuits in here. We've got our mini chocolate chips, morsels. We've got our pecan pieces. We have got those caramel bits, some butter, and I thought grabbing some of these Hershey's chocolate bars, breaking them into their little sections, and kind of spreading them throughout here, especially in these big portions of fluff, marshmallow fluff, just really add a whole nother layer to this decadent treat. That looks great. All right, now we just used the regular biscuits, and I did separate these in half. If you kind of look at them, they're thinner. You could also use flaky layers if you'd like, but these are just the traditional Pillsbury Grands. And we're just using these to create some coverage right on top. Perfect. Now I've got my reserve butter here, and I am gonna brush this on top of all of our biscuits just so they come to a nice golden brown. This is such a fun take on a traditional, easy summertime treat. This is a great way to feed a group. If you're having a little potluck and it's a summer theme, but you don't have a campfire around, this is one we love to make and share with our family and friends. All right, just one more thing. I've got my cinnamon sugar here. We're just gonna put a pop of this right on top. Woo! Ooh, it smells terrific, you guys. Alrighty, this one is so easy. We're gonna pop this in the oven at 350 for about 20 minutes. Alrighty, y'all, we ended up baking this for 25 minutes total. It looks absolutely incredible. You can see that marshmallow fluff poking through with some of that chocolate, all this goodness. Let's get in here and grab a slice. All that yumminess. We've got those caramel bits in there. You can always let this harden back up, but we like it fresh out of the oven, kind of like it's fresh off the campfire. Look at that bottom biscuit, just cooked perfectly with our pecans and everything in here. All right, Marty, I'm gonna make a little bite for you. You gotta be the official taste tester here. Oh boy, okay. Here we go. See a lot of chocolate on there.
Oh my gosh.
You gotta do it to it.
With pleasure.
I should have blew on it for you, Marty.
That is absolutely delicious. Oh my gosh.
Y'all, summer s'mores pie, you've gotta try it.